What's the most embarrassing thing a parent has done to you? My Gen X mother learned how to use the computer and Googled where I work. She invited herself to the office and waited in the lobby. Right next to her was a decent gentleman who was minding his own business, reading a newspaper when she told him that he should dress better. Maybe he can afford lunch. She judged him based on how he looked, because he was only drinking coffee for lunch thinking he had no money. She kept bragging about her daughter, who is currently working in this building and has her own office. She even made up that I was making 6 figures just to make herself feel good and looked down on others. Well, the decent gentleman my mother was referring to was actually my boss. My boss left and waited to see which daughter she was referring to, and it turned out it was me, his assistant. He told me about it, and thank God he was a good sport and I didn't get fired. I apologized sincerely because of embarrassment. That is way enough to bury myself 12 feet under the ground. I told her to never visit me ever again.